How to copy styles in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. I have this design. You'll find different designs. In here, I want bottom text to be same as art workshop text. So simply click on the design that you want others to be, and at the top click on three dots. In three dots, you'll find this option, Copy Style. Simply click on Copy Style. You can also click on Ctrl, Alt, and C. After you do that, you'll find this roller-like icon. Now simply select the area you want others to be as well. After you do that, as you can see, it has turned into same font as the top one. After that, you can adjust it wherever you want, and you're good to go. This is how to copy styles in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.